Agwara m unu na ejegide ajụ ajụjụ. Ntị adịkwa. Ejegide ajụ ajụjụ. The Biafran Constitution has now been approved. Constitution of the United States of Biafra. Hi, Chimo, we are gradually becoming a country. Gradually. Even the zoo knows. The top people in the zoo understands these tactics. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu ka na-akwụgharị che na one day everything ga-adị mma. Ntị adịkwa. Na ife niile anyị kọwara ụnụ n'ụbọchị bidoro ebido na nke gwụchara agwụcha na-enwe ebe anyị na-azọdo ụkwụ. I am one of the channels that have faced so much criticism. Ndị mmadụ agwaghị anyị okwu. Both my boss, both my predecessors, everybody. The same people. I na hear information about ife na-eme. And the same people criticizing us. You carry fake news. There's no Biafra, nothing like that. It is happening in your eyes. Unecheti did they make an announcement. Anoka was a chuku gabia. Auto down. And they are going to come and say, all fake, all fake, all fake, all fake, all these fake men of God. When I was so game, when you're not kill you say, hey, and by then it's already late. I was there for the long. Look at your screen and tell me what you see. Constitution of the United States of Biafra. Hold on a minute. Yes. Hold on a minute. We must help ourselves historically and put ourselves in this circle, this circumference of what it is. Because the storyline has now been bettered properly well. Onye ajụrụ ajụjụ kwesịrị ịma na ajụjụ ajụrụ ya bụ ajụjụ gala n'ihu ọma. O nwere ka o si wee nyado. We must take a very big space. And that very big space is what? Enlightening our people on what is coming. Because in the southeast now, we are not fleeing our homes. You guys can still go home and relax. Kamwe, Kana Cho, Ndi Gabia. Am I gonna turn our southeast called a war zone so that they will come in and steal our natural resources and go kidnap big men? But yet, Simon Ebando Tie has been stopping this thing from happening. Many of you, December, we're gonna village. If Southeast was not safe, what are you going to discuss? Will you go home? You can't. But this constitution has already told you that we are now becoming a nation. I will throw as a can and power. I will guy coita. Nearby a jacket again. Zodani. The truth of liberation. You must think on that. Now, most digestive knowledge must be put together. So, as we wish to understand this, we must wish to equally carry this thing in our heads. Gradually, we are approaching a kind of order that is going to make everybody know the very truth in which we have been preaching. You see, as we come to understand this, that must be considered. And as we push through this whole ramification of knowledge, we must understand that most importantly, we have come to realize the most of them all, which is already happening. We have won a great chunk, a great chunk that is now being posted on social media. But the reason why you are seeing the United Nations flag here is because the attention has now reached the United Nations. At least they can no longer say that they don't know Biafrans or whatever we are doing, because we have been carrying this information and making sure that everything is being served purposely. So, as we continue in this light, prolonging and producing, we must be able to understand one gateway to success. So, as we continue this whole victory to success, we must duly understand that this is the path we have been waiting for. So let's get along. Victory must be done. Production must be made. And world wisdom must be gotten in accordance. And that's where this storyline must be done. So as we spread through this focus, imitating this knowledge and making sure that the storyline conceives, we must duly understand that our world is now connected well. And that's where the story begins. So with the United Nations awareness of the Biafrans, everything is now falling into place. Everything is falling into place. So this is just the beginning of victory. Omochineke.